Hello, in this session we evaluate the importance of organic compounds. Welcome. As previously stated, organic compounds are derivatives of hydrocarbons which come from dead organic matter, namely humus from dead plants and fossils from dead animals, fish and other species. Now, it is common practice that as we conduct our studies, we do it for a purpose, and we find that each of these organic molecules have their own significance and importance. Let's take the example of alkanes. Alkanes are the primary saturated hydrocarbons. They are used mainly, number one, in the manufacture of carbon black. And carbon black is used subsequently in the manufacture of printer ink. Number two, alkanes such as methane are forms of fuel, so they can be used to manufacture fuel. For example, methane and butane gas. Methane is natural gas, which is a natural form of fuel. And three, they are used to manufacture solvents. For example, chloroform, which is trichloromethane. Number four, they are used primarily as the starting agent for the large-scale extraction of hydrogen. Now, hydrogen is obtained naturally from hydrocarbons through fractional distillation of crude oil. Next, we have alkenes. Alkenes are the principal unsaturated hydrocarbons with a double bond, and they are mainly of unique form and with similar application to those of alkynes. However, we can use them to manufacture synthetic polymers. Synthetic polymers, for example, PVC, which is polyvinyl chloride. We can also use them to ripen fruits. So ripening of fruits such as dates, oranges, and other is an application of the alkenes. Number three, we also use them to manufacture solvents and also manufacture of engine coolants such as the ethane 1,2-diol. In this case, the substance are engine antifreeze agents. So we can use them to manufacture engine coolants or antifreeze agents. Alkynes are used primarily to manufacture adhesives, which are the sticky substances for holding together different parts. We also use it to manufacture what we are calling polymers, synthetic polymers. And in this case, we may manufacture tubes for carrying chemical agents such as chloroprene. Yeah, chloroprene is an example of synthetic polymer that comes from alkyne. We can also use it as a start agent for the manufacture of alkenes through hydrogenation. So manufacture of alkenes, which subsequently are also used in the preparation of Alkanos. Remember, as mentioned, they are of the same family, and therefore, by simply hydrolyzing alkenes, you get hydrolyzing alkynes, you get alkenes. Hydrolyzing alkenes, you get what we call alkanes. alkanes. Hydrogenizing alkenes. Alkynes gives us alkenes. Hydrogenizing alkenes give us alkanes. But hydrolyzing of the same will give us alkanos. So when you want diols, you can use alkenes. When you want monools, then you will use alkenes. So alkynes will give us diols, while alkenes will give us monools. Beyond this, we can have what is known as alkanos. Now, alkanos are a unique group of hydrocarbons. First, they are used to manufacture alcohol. In this case, the process is that of fermentation. Number two, they are used to manufacture solvent. And number three, they can be used to manufacture sterilization and antiseptic agents and antiseptic agents used in cleaning body surfaces before medical surgery. We can also use them to manufacture soap. So they are used to manufacture soapless detergents. They are also used to manufacture synthetic polymers, mainly through the process of condensation polymerization. Next, we have alkanoic acids. And alkanoic acids are also unique in the sense that one, they are used to manufacture drugs which combat alkalinity. Number two, they're used to manufacture synthetic polymers, namely what we call polyesters and polyamides. Number three, they are used as starting agents to manufacture what are known as aldehydes and ketones, and also in the manufacture of halogenalkanes. Number four, they can also be used as food preservatives. For example, we have vinegar. Vinegar is a form of ethanoic acid. They are also used to manufacture margarine in form of butter. And butter is a form of butanoic acid. Beyond that, we have the aldehydes and ketones. And aldehydes and ketones are simply primary agents for the manufacture of alkanoic acids. Now, when you want an alkanoic acid, which is a diacid, you can use ketones, so manufacture of diacids and manufacture of monoacids. So in summary, therefore, we find that the organic molecules in their respective homologous series have unique properties which enable them to be used respectively to the manufacture of different substances and for different applications.